Today on World Famous Foods with Mr. Nez, we're going to be doing a pork chop quesadilla. Let's cook. Okay, so we're going to season our pork chops on both sides with some salt, some black pepper, and some garlic powder. All right, folks, add some olive oil to our pan. Let's cook these pork chops. All right, time to turn our chops. Oh yeah. Looking good, looking good. Okay, we're gonna add some onions. Those kind of saute in there for a couple minutes. Okay, take out our pork chops. Okay, we're going to take out our onions as well. All right, folks, let's cut up our pork chops now. This is going to be wonderful, wonderful. Okay, a little bit of olive oil. Get our tortilla in. Let's get our cheese in. Get our pork chops. Get some of this world famous food sauce. Get some onions. And some more cheese. Okay, folks, now we're going to fold this. Okay, now we're gonna flip this. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay folks, here we have it. Our world famous foods pork chop quesadilla. Okay, here we go. That crunch. Look at that, folks, look at that. See some more? Look at that. Enjoy.